If you really follow the advice in this video, you will learn violin faster than any other YouTube learner on YouTube. And there's just one piece of advice. If you've already watched a YouTube video before, make sure to go away from the internet right now and start practicing. There's nothing more to say about it. If you do this more, if you practice more and watch less information about violin playing, you will improve so much more. Sometimes we get caught up into just watching more information, thinking we need to know more, but actually you have all the information that you need to start practicing. If that's true for you, if you feel like you can relate, right now quit all your browsing tabs. Put your phone on silent mode and in flight mode. Put away your computer and start practicing right now. If this video would just help you to practice one time more than you actually wanted to, this video is already one of the best videos you've ever watched on my channel.